Hi guys, how are you doing today? I'm a typical Igbo man. When you hear about Igbo people, I am part of them. I come from the southeast of Nigeria. We hold our culture in esteem. We hold our tradition in esteem as well. And most of all, we hold kingship in esteem. Before someone is chosen to be a king, he has to meet certain prerequisites, some of which are being one of the sons of the soil. One of the sons of the soil. The person has to be one of the sons of the soil, otherwise known as freeborn. And the person doesn't have to be a descendant of a particular settler. No way you can be chosen to be king in Igboland if you are a descendant of a settler. I will talk about other things by next